What does a snake say? What does a cow say? What does a puppy say?
Get into the picture.
Yeah, you can be in the picture. Riley, what does a puppy say? Woof, woof. What does a tiger say?
Yeah.
What does a Riley? What does a gorilla say? Riley, what does a duck say?
Quack, quack, quack.
What does a tiger say? What does a Riley? What does a snake say? Kellen. She's doing it, but you can only hear Kellen. You got your babies, don't you?
Go, Kellen, go.
Can you say thank you?
Do
Can you say thank you?
this.
You're welcome. Can you blow kisses?
Oh,
Oh, thank you. Can you say, where'd Daddy go? Oh, Daddy's right there. Where'd Coda go? Where'd he go?
I see him. He's still there. He's in some water. Yeah, we don't.
Can you wave bye-bye?
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
My
Oh, yeah, you can say uh-oh too. Uh-oh. Are you talking like a baby now too, Callan?
No.